Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We see that we have number 0 in here. We have original function. First derivative of the function. Second and third. In this situation, we can find only complementary solution. So I will put about yc. C that is from this letter in here equals to e to the power of lambda s. Now that's about yc in here. We need to find first the derivative of the function. We will have about lambda e to the power of lambda s, because first derivative of this one we keep about e to the power of lambda s. Later that we continue do first the derivative of lambda s. We have lambda. That's e about the chain rule of derivative. So you got first derivative. Now we go second derivative. We will have lambda square e to the power of lambda s, and we do the next one. Now after we got everything in here, so we put this one go in here, this one go in here, this one go in here, and this one go in here. So we will have about e to the power of lambda s with lambda to the power of 3 in here, minus 6 lambda square e to the power of lambda s, and 13 lambda e to the power of lambda s, and the last one is about negative number 20 e to the power of lambda s. Next, we can do about factorization of this one, and this one. Now we need to find the solution of this one in here. So if we use about the calculator to calculate about this one, we have 3 solutions. The first one, lambda equals to number 4. The second one, lambda equals to 1 plus 2i, and the next one, lambda equals to 1 minus 2i. Now we have yc equals to c1 e to the power of 4s. We change lambda in here into number 4. Similar for the next one. This one we have 1 plus 2i and s, and the next one c3 e to the power of 1 minus 2i multiplied by s, or we can write into this way. This is about the complex number in here. We can transform with this one with e with the complex number into about trigonometry. So we will have about c2 e with s, because 1 with s you got about s, and I will write about cosine 2s. Similar for the next one, but we change for sine. you ask. And we know that the answer for the question that is about the first one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.